Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best charcoal grill on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. Kamado Joe Charcoal Grill. The Kamado Joe KJ23RHC Classic Joe 2 18-inch charcoal grill with cardan side shelves, blaze red is a smokehouse that excels at everything from hot dogs to pork spare ribs. It has a remarkable heat retention function, with a thermal mass that absorbs a great deal of heat in a short period of time. It has porcelain enameled interiors, which resist corrosion from the heat and allow for high heat cooking successes. The lid of this smoker is made of ceramics, which together with the high heat retention function, helps minimize smoke loss. The versatile cooking temperature range of the KJ23RHC 150 to 700 degrees Fahrenheit ensures you can prepare a wide variety of dishes. It has an electronic temperature control and a convenient side door accessory port, while the included side shelves make it easy to tend to your meat while keeping it on the grill. This Kamado Joe charcoal grill has a 23-inch diameter and a large handle that make it easy to transport. The Kamado Joe Classic Grill features a patented air control system, hanging clay grill grate, cast iron trivet and heat diffuser to deliver the best possible heat and airflow. Number 4. Himaly Charcoal Grill. Himaly Charcoal Grill is the best portable grill ever. It is the most portable and foldable grill available in the market. This grill is made up of stainless steel. It is suitable for places where there is no space to keep a large grill. You can enjoy a flavorful delicacy just by folding it. So carry it anywhere with you and cook your favorite foods. It is also waterproof, so you need not think about any damage caused to it by water or rain. It is also rust resistant. It will work great for many years to come. Himaly Charcoal Grill is absolutely safe. It can be easily cleaned with water. It comes with a detachable ash cleaning plate. The holes in it help the charcoal burn evenly. It comes in a portable fabric bag, so it can be easily carried anywhere you go. Place it on top of a table, and you will be ready to enjoy your favorite grilled delicacy. This charcoal BBQ is made of high heat-resistant powder-coated steel and heat-insulating ceramics. It is portable and foldable that you could take it to anywhere and be used anytime. The grill has a portable design and a protective frame, which makes it safe to use. This grill provides you with tasty dishes cooked with charcoal and smoke, making your food even healthier. The foldable design makes it easy to carry, store and clean. Moreover, its foldable design makes it easy to carry, store and clean. Number 3. ACWARM Home Charcoal Grill. The ACWARM Home Portable Outdoor Charcoal Grill, an ingenious new BBQ grill engineered to provide a compact and a convenient cooking solution for outdoor enthusiasts. We focus on small and portable design, easy to carry and pack, which can be placed on the table, desk or held in the hand. The lid is equipped with a damper to control the air supply and draft, which can greatly enhance the operating temperature in high or low temperature. The bottom is equipped with a heat shield to prevent the fire from burning the table or the ground. This grill is perfect for single person to small group, can be used for traveling, camping, fishing, picnic, BBQ party and more. The grill is easy to maintain and is perfect for outdoor cooking on a camping trip, to your backyard or even the beach. It is made with heat-resistant and non-toxic materials and allows you to cook healthy meals for you and your family. Number 2. Royal Gourmet CC 1830 SC Charcoal Grill. The Royal Gourmet CC 1830 SC Charcoal Grill offset smoker and get ready to dazzle your hungry guests. The unit features 811 square inches of grilling area, giving you plenty of space. The hood is vented, so heat stays out and smoke stays in, ensuring you get a perfect grill every time. A removable ash drawer allows for easy cleanup, and the cooking grate is porcelain coated for durability and easy cleaning. The charcoal grill offset smoker from Royal Gourmet is designed to last for years of use. The cooking grates are made from strong cast iron for grilling, searing and smoking, and the entire construction is weatherproofed and resistant to rusting. The offset smoker is also very easy to use, with a lid that can be opened from both sides and a smokestack that comes with a valve. It features an automatic burner system that includes a cast iron burner and a regulator valve, and the smoker comes with an easy-to-operate temperature gauge. The front and side shelves offer ample storage space for food, spices and accessories, and the smoker only takes up a footprint of 56 x 44.25 inches, leaving plenty of room for a table to be attached. Number 1. Cuisinart Charcoal Grill. The Cuisinart Red Portable Charcoal Grill is ideal for entertaining or for everyday backyard cookouts. Its stylish, innovative design features a sturdy, oversized lid with cast iron top and bottom, plus an extra wide opening for easy access. It features a front access ash removal system and an adjustable charcoal grate for smoking foods with indirect heat. The removable legs offer stability on an uneven surface, and the folding side shelves provide extra space to prep foods and rest plates and utensils. The removable drip pan and ash catcher allow for easy cleanup, and the cooking grate is dishwasher safe for a spark-free surface that is always ready for the next meal. If you are looking for a new way to grill, the Cuisinart Red Portable Charcoal Grill is a versatile, compact and convenient grill that offers the best of both worlds with its cozy fire and easy cleanup. This compact charcoal grill is perfect for your patio or balcony. It comes with a thermometer and an adjustable apron to maximize your grilling experience. It has a removable ash catcher, a handle to remove ash and a water pan. And it is easy to assemble. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.